Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Canva Whiteboard step by step. So if you want to brainstorm ideas, plan projects, create mind maps, or collaborate with a team online, yeah, Canva Whiteboard makes the whole process really simple. First, open Canva in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll be ready to create a new whiteboard. Now use the search bar and type whiteboard, then select the Canva Whiteboard option. So this opens a large flexible workspace where you can place ideas anywhere. Next, start adding text, sticky notes, or ideas onto the board. Canva Whiteboard works really well for brainstorming and project planning. You can also add shapes, arrows, icons, and graphics from the Elements panel. This helps organize your ideas visually. If needed, upload images, screenshots, or documents directly onto the whiteboard. So this is useful for presentations, mood boards, or team planning. Once your board is finished, you can present it directly in Canva or export it as a PDF or image file. The nice thing is Canva automatically saves your whiteboard online, so you can reopen and edit it anytime later. And that's basically how to use Canva Whiteboard from start to finish. After a little practice, you'll be able to brainstorm, organize ideas, and collaborate much more efficiently.